The Kev's Railfanning crew has been having a lazy day railfanning in the Grand Falls to St. Leonard area on September 11th, 2025. We've been enjoying the sunshine. We've just set up in St. Andre, New Brunswick and are waiting for M305, who is on their way to meet 306 in St. Leonard. St. Andre is in the upper St. John River Valley and just to the west of Grand Falls, Gagnon Sub. Earlier this year, site work kicked in to a full-scale prep for a future transload facility. This project is being built by Gagnon Construction on the property that they own alongside NB 144 and CN's Napadogan Sub in the mile 185.68 area. Crew's been busy in the last month stockpiling rails and ties for the project. According to a spokesperson from Gagnon Construction, the next key step will be the installation of a mainline switch to access the new tracking. This switch should be installed by the end of the week of September the 15th, roughly across from where it is currently sitting. CN has been busy doing their thing too, getting an electrical cabinet ready for track circuit work. According to the spokesperson, there should be a capacity to spot up to 300 rail cars and will be used to handle a wide variety of bulk materials, both loading and unloading. The site is expected to be in full swing by the summer of 2026. It'll be fun to watch as things progress. Also keeping an eye on this project is the former CN transfer van, 76665, sitting up on the hill above the tracks. CN M305 has CN 2937, 2804, 9584 on the head end, with mid-DPU 2875 and 109 cars. The friendly crew is just about to come into view, so let's enjoy CN M305, new switch for St. Andre.
Napadogan 185. No alarms. Temperature 18C. Total axles 458. Speed 44. Détecteur RCN Napadogan 185. Aucun problème. Température 1,8°C. Total essieux 4,5,8. Vitesse 4,4.
We hope you enjoyed CN M305, new switch for St. Andre, and we will do our best to keep everyone updated on the progress of this exciting project. Please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button and help the channel grow. Also, check on the post section of this channel for updates and photos of this train and others. Thank you for watching, and until we meet for our next fun adventure with Kev's Railfanning, stay safe and have a wonderful day.